How to fix Call of Duty Mobile authorization error. Hey guys, this is Lucy, and today I am going to show you how to fix the authorization error. So if you ever come across this error, all you need to do is make sure that your ID or the password or wherever you're logging from is correct. So make sure the account you're trying to log in your Call of Duty is correct. So the other thing you want to make sure is that your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is stable and make sure it's working properly. Now, the next thing you want to do is check for updates. Go to Play Store or App Store and search for Call of Duty and make sure that it's up to date. If this option also didn't work, open your browser like Chrome and go to some websites like Down Detector and check if the server of Call of Duty is here. If it's here, that means the server is down and you need to wait until they fix the problem in the server. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.